Meet Kevin. 1 month ago Kevin had the brilliant idea about starting a YouTube channel to publish his daily vlogs. He was very excited just like you when you started your channel. But 1 month later Kevin noticed that only 20 people watched his content and started wondering why no one watches his amazing vlogs. It made him feel sad. If you are just starting out on YouTube or have been effortlessly uploading videos without seeing your audience numbers increase like Kevin, don't fret. Stick until the end, and I will tell you everything for free. Hello guys, my name is Steve, and this is the YouTube Masterclass. So let's start with the beginning, which is keywords. You probably heard this one in some videos, but this is what you don't know. You have to create your videos around the keywords that have a high search volume, but are not competitive. This means you want your keywords to be commonly searched, but you will need to narrow it down so that there aren't as many people tagging their videos with it. For instance, keto diet gets a lot of searches, but it is highly competitive. Because a lot of other people are using the same keyword, your video is bound to get lost in the volume. It is important to research your keywords before you create your video. Making a video that is around your keyword is much easier than trying to find the right keyword to suit your video. This is what many beginners do wrong. And this is what Kevin did wrong too. You see, no one knows Kevin on YouTube, so no one will search for Kevin's vlogs in the beginning. That's it. Unless he was famous outside YouTube, which is not the case. The length of your videos is crucial if you want to rank high with the YouTube algorithm. You need to have people spending time watching your videos for the longest time possible. Watch time is what will get you viewed higher on search listed and highlighted through recommendations lists. The length of your video will ultimately affect your watch time, but there is a lot of contradictory information out there saying just how long videos should be to increase watch time. While you might think cranking out a number of short videos so you can get more views, longer videos tend to have higher watch times than shorter ones. How many of you guys reached this point of the video? Tell me by clicking the like button, and let's move to SEO. Optimizing your YouTube videos for search results is not unlike search engine optimization for other types of content. You need the right keywords, tags, and descriptions to grow your YouTube audience. First, make sure the titles of your videos include your keyword. Have a clear video description that is keyword rich. Don't make the mistake of having a short description. YouTube actually favors longer descriptions that are at least one paragraph long. Next, choose the right video tags. You want to have 2 or 3 tags on your video that include your keyword or are very similar. Another 2 keywords should be included, but not include your main keywords. For example, if your main keywords are training tips for puppies, for addition tags may include pet care or pet supplies. You can even make these more specific, like how to train a golden retriever. The goal is to have tags that relate specifically to your main topic so that it gets in front of more people and can be found for those niche audience members that are looking for more narrowed down content. Customized thumbnails are simple to make and will get your content seen more easily on YouTube. Using bright, bold colors that stand out on the platform is ideal. You want to avoid colors that will blend in like red, black, and white. Contrasting colors and borders around any text you include will make your thumbnails visually appealing, and the customization can boost your video performance by nearly 90%. Now let's move to something that is very neglected by YouTubers, which is playlists. It can increase your audience's views in different ways. A playlist allows viewers of your videos to increase the time they spend on YouTube, which is obviously what we want. Playlists automatically play another video once they are done watching the current one. This means they are staying on the site and you will get rewarded for this with an increase in ranking. When people are spending more time watching the videos you post, you increase your own watch time. As mentioned, watch time increases your ranking as well. Creating a playlist, like all the other tips mentioned for growing your audience on YouTube, is easily done. It takes only a few extra minutes to group videos you have already posted into one category. They can still have the option to watch each video individually, but you can make it easier to create a series of videos that have the same underlying main topic for them to watch consecutively. If you have made it until this point of the video, congratulations. You are very motivated and determined to succeed on YouTube, and this motivation is the key you absolutely need here. I invite you to subscribe to the channel, this way I can help you on your journey to success. Now having a video on YouTube isn't going to grow your audience very fast. To draw more people to your content, you need to be sharing it on other platforms to let the people who are already following you know that you have a new video for them to view. You can post your video on any social media site, which is the easiest way to get more views. Additionally, you can send out an email to your loyal fans to let them encourage them to go check out your latest video. Keep in mind, promoting your video is only half of the equation. To get those people you are promoting to share your link as well requires quality content. You may see a spike in views after promoting your video, but what will keep your views coming in relies on the quality of your video content. Views will boost your ranking quickly, but for long-term success as a YouTuber, you need to get subscribers. When people subscribe to your channel, they are automatically notified when you post something new, making it easier to get them to view your new content without doing much. Let's go back to Kevin. We have two situations. If Kevin has a ton of subscribers, let's say 50,000 subscribers. When Kevin posts a new video and his subscribers get notified, let's say 5,000 jump on it right away. What happens is YouTube receives positive data quickly from the video, which it translates to, people are loving this video, let's show it to more people. And that's what makes videos blow up quickly. On the other hand, if Kevin has 10 subscribers, it will take time for the new video to blow up because there is not enough subscribers to push it forward. Many people neglect the fact that YouTube isn't just for viewing videos, it is also a social media platform. Your video should encourage viewers to leave a comment and start a discussion, and you need to take part in these comments and discussions. Those who are able to get viewers to respond to questions you ask in your videos or give their opinion about the comment will often see their watch time increase and their overall ranking goes up. Be consistent. How many times you heard this one? Right? But did you actually get it? Consistency is the key to all success. If you want to have a channel with more regular viewers, then you need to be uploading videos consistently. When your audience knows when to expect a video from you, they are more likely to check in to see what content you have created. If, on the other hand, you randomly upload videos here and there, your audience won't know what to expect from you. Whether you upload once a week, 5 times a week or once a month, commit to a schedule and do it consistently. Do you want more of these courses about YouTube, guys? Tell me in the comments. And since you are an amazing YouTuber, you're going to hit the like button. See you guys next.